Snoring might sound like your partner's problem, but it could actually be your mattress. When your head and neck aren't properly supported, or your spine is out of alignment, it can make snoring worse. A worn out or unsupportive mattress can cause poor sleep posture, which can narrow your airways and increase snoring. Now, here's where it gets good. An adjustable base can make a huge difference. By slightly elevating your head, it helps open up your airways and reduce snoring, which means better sleep for both of you. Quieter nights, happier mornings, and maybe a little less elbowing in the middle of the night. Come see me at Golden Owl's Mattress. I'll help you sleep better and snore less.